Dear all, welcome to VJ Tech Talks and Practical Hands-on Microsoft Fabric project. I'm excited to guide you. In this series, we will focus on a Microsoft Fabric practical project, beginning with moving data from Excel and SQL Server to a Bronze Lake house using Gen 2 data flow. You will also learn how to smoothly connect to on-prem data using a gateway. Next, we will deep dive into a medallion architecture to organize our data. We will follow this architecture for data integration and processing, and also for Power BI integration that ensures efficiency and accessibility throughout all the data model. We are going to see how we can ingest data from SQL Server using two methods. First method is to use a data flow, and a second method using a simple Data Factory pipeline that will be ingesting the data from the SQL Server to the Bronze Lakehouse. We will move raw data from the Bronze Lakehouse to our Silver Data Warehouse, cleaning the data and move it to a Gold Data Warehouse. We will use the SQL to explore the data and also to create store procedures. I will also show you how to create Gold Data Warehouse tables and prepare the semantic models and create entities in the semantic model, which helps you to better organize your data and understand your data model. We will also explore the custom semantic models, how we can create them, and how we can also create relationships between the different entities inside these models and use them to build PBI reports. We will create a data pipeline that we orchestrate and schedule all the steps to run automatically on a daily basis. Finally, we'll use Power BI to generate visuals from our processed data. You will get hands-on experience with each step, ensuring that you understand how to apply these abilities in real-world scenarios. So, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the series of videos. I will see you in the next video.